Are tokenized stocks just a crypto fad, or are they the future of investing for those of us outside the US? I've been diving deep into Kraken's xStocks offering, which gives non-US investors 24/5 access to tokenized versions of popular US equities and ETFs. The promise is huge: fractional ownership, no traditional brokerages, and the ability to move these assets onto chain for DeFi use. But which tokenized stocks are actually worth your time and money on the platform? I'm speaking from my own experience here, looking at the initial offerings and which ones make the most sense for a crypto investor bridging into traditional markets. My picks are based on blue-chip stability, high growth potential, and DeFi composability. First place medal the blue-chip picks, stability and recognition. When you're bridging traditional assets to crypto rails, you want the most reliable names, the ones that anchor any global portfolio. For me, that meant focusing on the big tech giants and the classic S&P 500 ETF. Tokenized Apple, $AAPLX, and Microsoft, $MSFTX. These are the kings for a reason. They offer exposure to companies with massive cash reserves, huge user bases, and a track record of innovation. As an investor, I see these as the most likely to maintain their value and act as a reliable store of wealth, even within the volatile crypto space. It's like owning the safest stablecoins of the stock market. Tokenized S&P 500 ETF, $SPYX. If I'm looking for broad market exposure without picking individual stocks, an ETF is the way to go. $SPYX tracks the 500 largest U.S. companies. For me, it's the ultimate set-and-forget tokenized asset. It offers immediate diversification and represents a significant portion of the global economy, making it a great, low-maintenance base for your xStocks holdings. Rocket the high-growth picks, leveraging the future. The whole point of tokenization is to push boundaries, so I also looked for assets that offer exposure to the most aggressive growth sectors, namely, the shift to AI and the crypto industry itself. Tokenized NVIDIA, $NVDX. This one is a no-brainer. NVIDIA is the engine driving the AI revolution. As adoption of generative AI explodes, their hardware is the critical infrastructure. Owning $NVDX is a bet on the continuation of that technological trend. It's a volatility trade, for sure, but the upside potential is massive. Tokenized Coinbase, $COINX. Now, this is the real bridge asset. $COINX is a tokenized stock of a major crypto exchange. By holding it, you are investing in the legal, publicly traded infrastructure of the cryptocurrency market itself. It's a way to gain exposure to the health of the broader crypto ecosystem without holding a dozen smaller altcoins. For a crypto investor, it provides a unique form of indirect diversification. Lightbulb the DeFi angle, why tokenization matters. Beyond the assets themselves, remember the key difference: these are tokens. They're backed 1:1 by real shares, but they live on blockchains like Solana and BNB Chain. This means you can do things you can't with a traditional broker. I can move my $AAPLX token to a self-custody wallet, trade it 24/7 on-chain, and potentially use it as collateral in a DeFi lending protocol. That composability is the true game changer. The fact that they are backed by an entity like Bakkt and traded on a regulated platform like Kraken offers an important layer of trust, which is essential when you're dealing with real-world assets, or RWAs. Ultimately, my best picks are a mix: the foundational safety of $SPYX and $MSFTX, and the future-facing growth of $NVDX and $COINX. It's about building a balanced portfolio that leverages both the stability of traditional finance and the flexibility of decentralized finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.